guys, Johnny Phillips here, sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's about 12 o'clock. It's my first service call of the day, which is great because I've had a lot of stuff to do at my house, cleaning things up, and I'm gonna run over here. This is gonna be a simple task, I think, but I've eaten those words in the past. This guy just wants his drain system redone under the kitchen sink. He says he's got PVC sticking out of the wall, enough that I can put a fitting on there. I guess somebody put a rubber cup fern co on it, and he doesn't like that. It's a rental property, and I guess something's leaking. So we'll see. I'm not sure what it needs. It may need a basket strainer, but I'm hoping I can stop spitting when I talk. Kidding. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna run over here and see if I can get this straightened out. I've gotten a lot of calls today, and people are surprised when I say, yeah, I can be there, you know, in an hour, which is great for me. I love not being busy as hell. So anyways, got my house cleaned up. It's all looking good in the hood, and I'm gonna go knock this call out, make a little pay for the day. You know what I'm saying? That's it.
Too short, you don't make any money on it, right? Isn't there some like?
Yeah, no, it's about views more than the length of the,
right.
You know, but
Right.
about 15-20 minutes is average, but mine are an hour long. I go through every aspect of doing a job. All right, guys, so the call here is, this is an Ikea kitchen. It came with all the drain, all this stuff, and it's all leaking. He's got a leak on the drain. He's got a leak on the top of this tank, which I'm hoping I can tighten this up and take care of it. So I'm going to disconnect all this stuff. I'm going to put a regular basket strainer. And first thing I need to do is take this panel off of this cabinet because I can't get my fat head in here. Wow. Three screws. Man. I just need a little more room. So we got water collecting back there. We've got a dishwasher hose here with no clamp on it. I mean, it's just a disaster. You know. Wow. So that was just, this was just stuffed in there without a clamp on the no-hub band. Look at this. That's what was in the wall. There's no clamp on it. Wow, that's scary. Okay, so we're gonna get a rag in here. I'm gonna give it a shot. I think there's enough for me to get on there.
So when do you take your mom in for dialysis? Oh, at least you have something, so there's plenty of places. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Just makes it real long, you know.
So you need a
Central time or Eastern time? Oh, so you are Central time. Yeah. Yeah, my sister.
So I'm gonna take off for a minute. I'll be back.
So I got a little creep because my sister said, well, I'll take her and I'll drive her around. Thank God. So that I can, you know. But yeah, did you know Cheryl's lost 113 pounds? Yeah. She did the wet. And 113 pounds. It's amazing. Yeah, she looks, I can't believe how different she looks, her face, everything. And she's got her about 45 pounds left to go. And once she gets there, then she's gonna have to have the skin removed because it's just, so she's wearing this, especially the stomach, it really bothers her because now it's hanging. So she wears one of those girdles to hold it in.
Sure.
She said, I'm not gonna have the surgery until I get to my weight. She goes, 'cause, you know, it's senseless.
Right.
So, I said, you know what you could do? I said, you could get tattoos of the flags on your arms. And she did not think that was very funny. But, you know, I'm trying to make light of things.
Yeah.
It'll be all right.
Oh, yeah, she will.
Yeah, she's like, oh, I can't wait to see everybody. I said, good, you and mom can go down there and I'm gonna sleep, because God knows I need it. I'm tired,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
It is, I know.
It's exhausting.
Yeah, and Louis hasn't been doing too good lately. He's having problems walking, because his neuropathy real bad from diabetes. And so he like shuffles, and it's like, he's off balance and he scares the hell out of me. So I've been trying to get his stuff done around the house that he normally did.
Yeah, exactly.
Just sit in your chair and watch your soaps with mom, and I got it. You know, so I'm like, sister, you can go to work while you're here for a week, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any little break you can get.
That's about it. All right, guys, well, have a good time. And
Yeah.
hopefully your water gets fixed.
Yeah.
No more leakage.
Exactly, yeah.
Matt was like, Mom, you're not gonna believe what happened. I'm like, now what?
I know.
Right.
He hated to tell me if he's coming home from work, it was like.
I was like, what the hell happened?
Yeah.
Anyways, well, good luck with your mom tomorrow, and I'll see you later.
Sounds good.
All right. Love you guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, get my, see, I haven't been grocery shopping in like 3 weeks. They're gonna love me, I'm gonna spend way too much money.
Yeah.
Say hi to Grandma.
Oh, I sure will.
I will. Take it easy.
You too. Nice to see ya.
And the doctor's office didn't come.
I know.
Come on, I'm like, I wonder if she forgot to tell them.
Oh, that she was here?
Yeah, the girl that took the message on the phone said, you know, the
that's
nurse is busy right now, can I take your number and have her call you back? And
Yeah.
I'm thinking, okay, did she give it to her?
Yeah.
Or like I said, they may call me at the end of the day.
True.
Lord didn't think anything was too bad, maybe it's just this weekend, I'm thinking, You just tuck it in the bedroom then?
Yeah, we can do that because a lot of this stuff was stuff that was in our.
That's okay, I had, I was just using dishwashing soap.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Do you want me to use that, or do you want me to use Lysol?
It doesn't matter. Whatever is easier.
What else are we wiping?
There's like bathroom products, so like, I don't know, like hair stuff.
Okay. Maybe I'll use the Lysol then. It is mild too.
Yeah.
It'll smell good.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Alright guys, so take this drain off. I take a lot of these things out, man. issues here is there's not a lot of pipe to grab onto over there. So I'm gonna going on a mission of prayer. I'm not talking to myself. I'm videotaping a YouTube video. Alright guys. So this is Florida one step. I'm gonna push this down to 1.5 inches. This coupling. I'm gonna put glue all over that. Okay. I gotta go get a fitting. Alright guys, so I gotta put a dishwasher tail piece on this. There's only one basket, no garbage disposal. It looks like, I'm just hoping that it goes on, because it's this sink's really thick. I didn't realize it at first, but I'm hoping I can get enough on this to, yeah, perfect. And I'll just jam this on there with a new hose clamp. There we go. Okay, I don't want to really push this. Okay, that's gonna work. Better than what they had, man. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is put a straight 45 on that. Heading towards this. That's gonna work good. Okay. Yeah. Jesus, that son of a gun don't want to turn, man. That Florida one step is no joke, man. All right, that's good enough. All right, so I need a butt piece there. I can tell you, boy, this one step, you better be quick, because that shit grabs. I'm gonna break this connection and get these hoses down. They're free. Some goofball fucking hooked this shit up. Can't turn this thing. Okay. So let me break this connection. I gotta turn this tank off. The RO will probably backfeed through it. I'm gonna take this off so I can get these hoses. Whoa. Okay, so they're free. Live and set free. Okay. So, let me get that down. Wow, this is just a terrible connection on that. That T is leaking back there. The T to the ice maker line is leaking. First things first though, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna give myself a little gunner. Okay, so that's where that's gonna go. That's what I need. Yeah. Okay. I don't know which one it was. I got two pieces now. That was that one, I think. Yeah. That makes sense. Just trying to make sense of it all, guys. So this landlord hauled ass as soon as he got here. I hope I get paid. He kind of had an attitude. Because I got here 5 minutes early. Wow. Yeah. Trying to find my pipe dope. I know it's in here somewhere. Here we go now. Okay. Spread a little mustard. Little Goldens. I'm not a Grey Poupon guy. I'm Poe. I come from the south side of Providence, my friends. Okay. Now I just need to get this up like so. Boy, this glue is strong, man. beauty. Put a little bit of sunshine on that. Yeah. That's a tight cabinet, guys. Drain hooked up for this RO. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna put this so it's out here in the front, so they have the maximum amount of space to get this thing out and service it with these hoses. That's the plan. Let me go get a drill. Alright guys, so I don't have the gasket for this connection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap it with Teflon, this pipe, and then drill a hole. Maybe I'll drill the hole first. As high as I can get it so we can get that nut off. fitting. Make sure this pipe's gonna fit in there. Yeah, it's gonna work good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap that. Just gonna put some wraps of Teflon around that hole. And hopefully it's gonna keep it nice and sealed. To find the hole right there, and I'll poke a hole in it. I'll stick this guy up on there. The idea with all of this is to make sure they've got plenty of pipe to get the ouch. That Teflon does a good job of holding this while you get your screws started. Staring at my fucking double chins.
How's it going, John?
Going very well. I'll be done here shortly.
Cool.
Just hooking up this.
It looks beautiful. It looks like a normal P-trap.
Like a plumber did it.
Yeah. Or, I mean, I've done ones like that too. It just takes me 8 hours, and it takes you one.
I hear you.
I just can't stand that Ikea stuff. Or I also don't like those flexible P-traps. It's like,
yeah, that just
kind of junk.
Yeah, I don't think they're code approved. You know, Ikea, they want the people who buy the stuff to be able to put it in.
And do you know that that this reverse osmosis still has room?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I went as tight as I could to that.
Right to the front.
You know, to offset it, I'm going to pull the cartridges forward.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll get this tank, but the tank's leaking on the top. I'm hoping that fitting is okay.
Right.
That's what's this right here is dripping.
Okay.
So I may have to take that apart and try to get it to stop.
And another scary thing, now that we're just bulletproofing the place, is it sure would be nice if there was a cap on that thing right there. Huh?
On what?
On, sorry, this thing right there.
Oh yeah, I got a cap.
Cool.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, so guys, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and run them. Alright guys, so I'm filling this sink up. Cool faucet. Nice looking kitchen. I'm gonna put a cap on this one shut off valve over here, just to be safe. Yeah. I do have a ferrule on the inside of this, not this cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump this. I'm looking for any leaks, which I don't see any, which is great. So my next issue is this tank. This tank is dripping from the top. Unfortunately, it's full of water and under pressure. So I'm gonna try to just tighten this down. Seems like I got it. So this is dry. That side's all done. Alright, so now what I need to do is relocate this whole cartridge assembly towards the front. I don't believe it'll fit back on the screws that it was on. Maybe it will. I'll give it a try first. I want to look at this valve, this connection up here. That really wasn't on. That wasn't on all the way. That should be good now, guys. I got that T on that ice maker up there. It wasn't on all the way. So, let me, I'm gonna disconnect this. Fit this baby in there. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that out a little bit. Okay. It's tighter than 2 coats of paint in here, guys. Just saying. Okay, so that is not going to happen there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna need to relocate these screws. Okay. I gotta get a tape measure because these gotta be exact. Alright guys, so this needs to be 11 3/4. And then from the countertop down, 11 inches. 11 3/4. Let me just get a measurement. 15 inches. Okay. Get this other screw out. Jesus. Let's hope it fits. That thing's heavy, man. That's it. That's all we can do. Ugh.